What's your lap time? Trunk space well utilized. Snacks. Road snacks. Should I risk opening the back door?
No.
Absolutely not.
Because I'm gonna divorce you.
Today we're going on our first family holiday of 2026 with our new Lucid Gravity. So yeah, leaving VULCAN ALPHA, and of course there's going to be some track action. So let's do that. But first, a quick look what's happening there. Mustang is getting prepped for the Swedish time attack. Yes. Corvette is getting some stuff as well, but that's going to be a separate video of its own. Oh, look at that. Louis Gelati racing. Oh, nice. The reason why Maggie doesn't want me to open the trunk, because 2 dogs are in there, full of suitcases, and then of course also Marco, herself, myself, and yeah, now we need to start driving to Slovenia. So let's do a trip. Oh, look at that. 911. Oh.
If you wake him up...
Are you gonna divorce me?
Yes.
Okay. 9/11. It's conspiracy. Because Monday. Why Aristo?
Can we drive so we at least come until midnight?
Good idea. But be quiet. If you wake him up, I'm gonna divorce you. Okay, first stop. Rated range left and dynamic range left, and let's see. Not too bad.
Bye bye.
A very long lunch break later. This is when I left. Press. Done. Done. Alright. Fast forward to another stop. Let's see if we're gonna be quicker than 45 minutes. Alright then. Can we get 300? Oh, big send. Whew. It's because no one is here. So I have all the power. Well, I guess there is no such thing as a quick pit stop with us. Final leg. Let's go. Go meow.
Meow.
That's the sound you're gonna make on track. Meow.
You think I'm gonna be that fast that I'm gonna be able to do that?
Yeah, why not?
I'm more gonna be like...
I don't even know if I said that we're doing ladies only track day. I asked if I'm allowed to drive because I got Maggie Porsche.
No.
And the organizer Nancy said, "What do you think? What's it called?" Fast forward, we got a briefing. Where's your starting number and stuff? Ah, yeah, 19. So it's 18 plus. So funny enough, I was not allowed to attend the briefing. What did it tell you?
Nothing spectacular. I don't know. What kind of question is that?
What's the yellow flag?
Slow down, double yellow flag, 50 kilometers per hour.
Oh, okay.
But they don't have flags actually anymore.
Okay.
They have like Nürburgring, like lights.
LEDs. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Uh-huh.
Nice. So the coolest thing, is that your goat car?
Oh no, man.
Oh, you have actually goat plate. Sick. Amazing. So this is freaking cool. Yeah. You know what also is cool? All the participants got this.
And it's actually super nice.
I think like Nürburgring track days should hand out goodies like this. So what do you have? Like
Wait, baby, look.
tanning stuff.
Yeah, tanning stuff, deodorant,
Oh,
and all like good.
good stuff. What's
Yes.
this? What would be like the equivalent of the normal track day on the Nürburgring for the guys? I want socks.
You want socks?
Socks. And
You are the only guy that wants socks, my love.
No. Are you a guy in the comments? Would you like socks? If someone gives you socks, come on. I mean, if it would be a very posh, like Monte racing track day, they would maybe hand out grills.
Grill.
Or like cooking utensils. Or power tools. Imagine.
Makita.
My key. Anyway, let's put in Draghi so we can see how fast Maggie's going.
Don't like embarrass poor Draggy. Like he's not gonna even be able to measure that.
Not necessarily lap times, but speed, because usually we have speedometer camera, but I think for her she should have camera on the dash. And we also have the latest GoPro Mission 1. And funny enough, we actually used them for 24 hours of Nürburgring as well. So all the N24 footage was recorded on GoPro Mission 1 Pro. We were not allowed to talk about it or to show it to you because it was fully prototyped, but that was absolutely insane. So I'm switching definitely now to GoPros because the performance is wild. I think the longest we've recorded was like 6 hours non-stop in a hot race car, and in the past GoPro had issues with heat management or battery life. This was not a problem. And also during one of the night stints, or like after sunset, one of the team members forgot to take off the ND filter, which was their responsibility. So the GoPro recorded at night as well with ND filter, and the footage was still very much usable because my last stint, yeah, it was during my stint, it had ND filter on and you could actually see the night stint. So yeah, anyway, that aside, we have Cayman S 9.8. Oh no, it's a 718.
We should go.
We should. Okay, then.
Late as always.
Are we? Nah, we're good. We're good. All right, so let's put all the cameras in and chop chop. I forgot the SD card of the second GoPro. I didn't even check because I assumed everything was all right. So that's a proper holiday move.
I'm not in a holiday mood.
Oh, we're gonna do launch control. Oh, imagine.
Am I going in the middle or?
Yeah, anywhere. Yeah. Go in the middle. Go behind your favorite.
Yeah, look.
Yeah. So since I forgot to check if the other camera has SD card, luckily the GoPro can record an 8K. So let's do that, because the test footage on the back looked actually quite good. Look at that. You can see the track, you can see everything. So with 8K we can crop it inside here because I don't have the proper mount. Then yeah, live update. Huh?
Why you sad? There is no camera.
Yeah, I didn't bring SD card.
That's good. One angle less so people cannot make fun of me.
Okay, alright. It's a pretty cool selection of cars.
You like my ride?
Yes. I really love the view. Grobnik has like fantastic view.
It is.
Yeah. So here you have a big fast straight.
This I was curious about how to enter here. Like,
I think you stay.
Okay. You will go here, then aim probably here.
Yes.
No.
I think a bit later entry would have been better.
Later?
Maybe. Yeah, should be more on the
So I
outside.
go out then and then inside. Okay,
yeah.
okay.
The right side.
This
Left curb. Gently on the gas to the outside.
outside?
Yeah, or stay left.
Okay.
Good. And back to the right curb step. And out. What's your lap time?
1:35.
Okay, well we need to get 25 seconds. Basically.
I'm kidding.
Ah.
I'm kidding.
Ah, okay. How much?
1:49.
49.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's
That was
doable.
2:09.
No, 2 flat, 0.9.
2.
Yeah. So we need to. We'll find 10 more seconds. I will get there. Good job. Drop the pressures and all good. Was epic. 155. I mean, we started getting like really fast, so the lines are there and the momentum through corners is there. It's now like working on braking and carrying more speed and accelerating more, but for that we need to have a bit more sim sessions probably. So thankfully Novus is there to help us out, and yeah, maybe one day I'll end up racing with her, maybe with her and Marco. So that would be like really goals. Yeah, let's see. But really an amazing initiative by Never Lift, Grobnik Track Day, ladies track day, ladies only. 15 cars on track, amazing, and everyone's such a good driver. It's all equally paced, I would say. It's fantastic. Like, I think there's a hole in the market. I think we need to have ladies only track day on the Nordschleife. But for that, try to get a normal track day date. So, not me, maybe someone else. What I mean by that is that I've been asking for a track day for the last 3 years. Yeah, so how many more laps we're gonna do now?
No.
Are we gonna race with Macaque?
No.
No? Yeah?
No.
Okay, good job.
But I'm gonna bring my car here.
Yes.
Are you gonna build me a car?
Am I what?
Are you gonna build me a car?
Build you a car?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sure.
I'll some
Small one.
Yaris.
No, 944. Yeah.
Are you promising? Are you promising?
Yeah. 944 K22 swapped turbo, transaxle, sequential gearbox, all-wheel drive. Or actually 07K swap turbocharged, but yeah, no, she needs something smaller. Maybe just normal 944, and from there we're gonna grow. Or we're just gonna build two. Oh, this is officially the best track day. Oh,
It's ladies track day.
yeah. I was wondering where's like Mimosa and stuff. Oh, is that Mochi?
No, it's Raffaello, my love.
Ah, okay.
Oh yes, it is.
Rosby.
Yes.
Oh. So truffles.